CAME ZF1N110 ZF1N Control Panel, Complete Wiring Guide Step-by-Step Explanation. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I will explain the CAME ZF1N110 ZF1N Control Panel wiring diagram in detail. This control board is designed for 120-volt AC and 230-volt AC swing gate operators and is commonly used with CAME ZF1N, ATI, Chrono, and fast gate motors. If you are an installer, technician, or gate automation enthusiast, this video will help you understand the complete wiring of this control board, including motor connections, photocells, push buttons, electric lock, flashing light, and gate status indicator. Let's begin. This is the main control board here. I will separate only blocks of terminals to easy understanding of each connection. Motor connections. We can see the motor connection terminals labeled. Terminals U, V, W, X, Y, and E. The control panel supports two motors. Motor 1, M1 is delayed during opening. Motor 2, M2 is delayed during closing. This delay prevents the gate leaves from colliding and ensures smooth operation. For Motor 1, connect the three motor wires to terminals. Terminals U, V, and W. Terminal U and Terminal V is phase pin for motor wires. Terminal W is common pin for motor wire. For Motor 2, connect the three motor wires to terminals. Terminals X, Y, and W. Here terminals X and Y as pins is for motor 2-phase wires. And W will be same common. These terminals are suitable for CAME swing gate operators, such as CAME ZF1N, CAME ATI, CAME Chrono, CAME Fast. Always ensure power is disconnected before making any wiring connections. After wiring the motors, perform a test cycle to verify correct opening and closing direction. If a motor moves in the wrong direction, swap the motor direction wires according to the motor manufacturer's instructions. Photocell connections. Now, let's move to the safety device connections. Photocells are essential safety components that protect vehicles, pedestrians, and property from gate collisions. The photocell system consists of transmitter, receiver, power supply. Connect photocell power supply from terminals 10 and 2. These terminals provide power to both the transmitter and receiver. Safety contact wiring. Connect the receiver relay output as follows: common to terminal 2. Normally closed to terminal C1. Operation. When the gate is closing and the photocell beam is interrupted, the receiver opens the safety contact. The control board immediately stops the closing movement and reverses the gate until it reaches the fully open position. This feature protects people, vehicles, and equipment from accidental impact. Important note: if photocells are not installed, a jumper must be installed between terminals C1 and 2. Without this jumper, the control board will detect a safety fault and the gate will not operate. Command inputs. The control board allows external command devices such as push buttons, key switches, and access control systems. Full open command. Connect a normally open push button between Terminal 2 and Terminal 7. When the button is pressed, the gate performs the programmed command sequence. Open, stop, and close. This input is commonly connected to push buttons, key switches, GSM controllers, access control systems, and intercom systems. Pedestrian opening. The pedestrian opening function allows only one gate leaf to open. This is useful when a person wants to enter without opening the entire gate. Connect the pedestrian command input according to the control board programming requirements. This function improves convenience and reduces wear on the gate system. Stop button connection. The stop input is designed for emergency stopping of gate movement. Connect a normally closed stop button between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. When the stop button is pressed, gate movement stops immediately. Automatic operation is disabled until a new command is received. This safety feature is often used in industrial and commercial installations. If a stop button is not installed, a jumper must be installed between terminals 1 and 2.
Electric lock connection. Many swing gate systems require an electric lock to secure the gate when closed. The electric lock is connected to the terminals marked ES and ES. Output specifications: 12 volts maximum power, 15 watts. Operation. When an opening command is received, the control board first energizes the electric lock. The lock releases. The motors then begin moving the gate. This sequence reduces stress on the gate structure and motor gearbox. Electric locks are highly recommended for large swing gates and installations exposed to wind loads. Flashing light connection. The flashing light improves safety by warning nearby people that the gate is moving. Connect the flashing warning light to the dedicated output shown in the diagram. Output rating: 120 VAC or 230 VAC depending on the board version. Maximum load: 25 watts. The lamp flashes during opening, closing, and automatic operation. This visual warning helps prevent accidents around the gate. Gate open indicator light. The control panel also provides a gate status output. This output can drive an indicator lamp showing whether the gate is open or closed. Output specifications: 24 VAC, maximum load 3 watts. Operation. Lamp on has gate open. Lamp off has gate closed. This feature is especially useful for security rooms, guard stations, reception desks, industrial facilities. Final summary. Today we learned the complete wiring of the CAME ZF1N110 ZF1N Control Panel. Understanding these connections is essential for safe installation and reliable gate automation. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon. Also press the notification bell so you never miss our latest gate automation tutorials, wiring guides, troubleshooting videos, and professional installation tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.